Our sustainability journey is built on the everyday efforts of people across the globe. Today, we want to share how we are turning those efforts into meaningful progress.
Step by step, we've expanded the use of recycled materials across our products, transforming ocean-bound plastics into key components, while also developing technologies that enhance circularity and give new life to waste materials.
We are always looking for ways to make our packaging with mindful design. This includes removing single-use plastics and simplifying the overall package structure.
By looking closely at our everyday habits, we found new ways to cut standby energy in power adapters. And across our facilities worldwide, our teams came together to reach zero waste to landfill.
But progress isn't the end. There's always another step forward.
The future asks for more. So to go further, we're sharing our 2030 goals. More than a promise, we're deepening our commitment to the environment surrounding us.
Water remains a precious and limited resource, and we believe our responsibility goes beyond efficiency. We aim to give back more water than we consume by working with local communities to restore reservoirs and improve agricultural water use.
And will conserve ecosystems equal in size to the footprint of our global operations, safeguarding biodiversity that grows alongside our work.
We are also advancing circular design by incorporating recycled materials into new Galaxy smartphones, tablets, laptops, and watches. This approach guides how we develop our technology to create a new mobile experience.
This is our pledge to make purposeful progress for people and for the planet. Every day, people carry their Galaxy. They rely on it, they trust it. And now they're asking, what does this device say about me?
The answer is in the path we take, designed for people with care for the world we all share. And no matter how small, every step makes a difference. This is our journey, Galaxy for the planet. The human side of tech, built with purpose.